We are 3 of the 5 intervention specialists that you'll see around the high school this year. My name is Mrs. King, and I will be in the English department.
I'm Mrs. Snoke, and I will be co-teaching business classes.
And I'm Mr. Barr. I'll be in the social studies classes.
Yeah, and this will be my 14th year of teaching. I've been here at Fairfield Union since 2014, and prior to that, I was at Liberty Union.
This is my 9th year of teaching. My 7th year at Fairfield Union. Prior to this, I was at Southwest Licking in Pataskala.
And this is my 33rd year, and I've been here all my life. I went to school here, and I've taught all 33 years here.
I also graduated from Fairfield Union, and I did my undergrad from OU and my master's at OUL.
I graduated in 2008 from Ohio State with a business degree, and in 2011 from Muskingum University with my master's in teaching and special education.
And I went to Marietta for my undergrad, and my master's went to Marygrove.
A few things about us, just our personal lives. I have 3 boys. They're teenagers, and in my free time, I like to exercise and just hang out with friends.
I've been married to my husband, Corey, for 10 years. We have 3 kids. Cooper's 6, Gabe's 4, and our daughter Quinn is 2. In my personal time, free time, I like to travel, explore the outdoors, learn about new cultures.
And I have 2 kids. One's 24 and one's 19. And my free time, I like to travel, like to hang out with friends, and just hang loose.
Yeah, so we wanted to wish you guys well for this school year.
Yeah, we're going to have a great year. We're going to have to be flexible because no one knows what's going to happen from day to day, but we'll get through it and have a wonderful year.
Yep.
So good luck.
Good luck. Let's go Falcons.